Good evening. Today I am going to show how to install Windows 10. Actually, I am using VMware's workstation because already I am having Windows. So now I'll start and I'll show how to install Windows 10. So here VMware workstation is there. I already showed one video in that regarding VMware, how to install and all. So now VMware is opening. See, here we have to, after opening VMware Workstation, just create a new virtual machine. And before that, Windows 10 into 64, you have to select Play Virtual Machine. Has appeared, press any key to boot. See, here we can see Windows. It is installing. See, here we can see Windows setup has been started and language to install. It's better English, United States, and time currency. Okay, everything. So next, install now. Setup is starting. It will take some time. See here, Windows setup activate Windows has been appeared. I don't have product key. Select it and because we are doing free version, that's why we have to select that option. And Windows 10 Pro I am selecting. Next. See here, I accept the license term. We have to click on it. Next. Which type of installation you want? Drive unallocated space. Next. Copying Windows files 0%. Getting file ready for installation. Installing features. Installing updates. Finishing up. See, it has been completed. Let's start with region. Is right? See here we can see different states, different countries here is showing. Let's start with region. Is this right? And now we'll select for India. I selected for India and yes. Just a moment. See, is this right keyboard layout? So I'm selecting English India and yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. Just a moment. See, let's connect you to a network. So I don't have net internet. Because I am working in a VM virtual machine, so see, there's more to discover when you connect to the internet is there. So continue with limited setup. Next, confirm your password. Create security questions for this account. Okay, security question we must answer. To do this, okay, not now. See here it has been started. Hi, we are getting everything ready for you. So it is almost complete. Windows 10. See, I did everything in virtual machine. VMware virtual machine. If you people also want to do Windows secondary Windows, just go through this VMware virtual machine. So here we can see browse the web with Microsoft Edge, the new browser recommended by Microsoft for your PC. So my Windows has been appeared, and my Windows 10 has been installed in my VMware Workstation. So if you people also want to do work in two Windows, like you want to do in Windows 11 and you want to do in Windows 10, so you can just install VMware Workstation in your laptop or PC, and then you people also can just go through this Windows 10 or 11, 8, 7, whatever Windows you want. You can just install in your VMware Workstation and just you can complete your uh, schedule. So hope video is good, somewhat informative. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.